Hello friends, today I like to introduce to you the side luggage box which I am using in my Classic 350. Are you a proud owner of Royal Enfield? And if you own a new Royal Enfield, I am sure you will be worried about these three major concerns, especially if it is a classic. I own 2017 model reddish red Classic 350. The major improvement points I felt are vibration at handle and rear view mirrors, absence of fuel gauge, and perfectly fitting side luggage box. For the first point, if you drive your vehicle above 80 to 90 kmph, you will feel vibrations at your handle and you will not be in a position to comfortably visualize vehicles coming behind through your rear view mirrors. I will cover this point in my next video. So today in this video, I like to introduce the side luggage box which I am using. First of all, why it is a concern? Only because the style of the Royal Enfield Classic. Yes, it is difficult to get a perfect match of side luggage box which fits to the design and style of Royal Enfield. So in this video, I try to introduce the side luggage box which I am using, and I felt it as a perfect fit for the Royal Enfield Classic. The benefits I felt are: it is spacious, not so costly, convenient to fit. We can use the brackets which are coming with the box without much modifications. The side luggage box which I am using is Steelbird's Champ model. It comes with total 4 brackets, out of which 3 were used. 2 we can directly use without any modifications. Third one we have to modify on the length, and as well as some bending we have to do. The side luggage box costed me around 950 when I bought from the shop, and fitting charge was around 100 rupees. So the total cost in gate is around 1000 rupees. The box is spacious. The locking mechanism is not so sophisticated. It just have one bracket which rotates along with the key. And this is totally waterproof because I have driven in very heavy rains and I have not seen a single water drops inside the box. And once mounted, you can see that this is a perfect fit to the style of Royal Enfield Classic. So if you are looking one for your Royal Enfield, one of the suggestion is Steelbird Champ model. Hope you like this video and it is of use to you. If you like this video, please support by clicking like and subscribe. Do watch the channel for the next interesting videos.